In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a simple habit tracker inside Clickup. This is a great way to keep yourself accountable and organized every day. Stick around to make your habit tracker even more effective. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace, where you want to add the habit tracker. In the space section, select the space you want to turn into a habit tracker and click the three dots next to its name. This will open additional options for customizing your space. Choose templates in the menu options that appear. This will take you to the ClickUp template library. Click Browse Templates to see the full list of ready-made templates you can use. This makes setting up your tracker quick and easy. In the search bar, type Habit Tracker and choose the Personal Habit Tracker template. This template is designed to help you track daily or weekly habits. Click Use Template to add it to your selected space. ClickUp will automatically create all the tasks and views for your new habit tracker. And that's how you create a habit tracker with ClickUp. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more ClickUp tutorials. See you next time!